Hello, I am super pumped to share this commence haul today. You guys, it's the best one I've ever done. Starting this haul off very strong with this outfit. I am so in love with every single piece. Let's first talk about the bag. Are we kidding? This bag is so stunning. It's super large inside. It has this cute little flap right here going on my shoulder. Super cute for shopping. Just an amazing bag. Top that is just so incredible. First of all, I love the color. It has a little bit of a cropped feel, so you can't wear it to work, but it's got a little bubble hem right here, which I think is super cute. Paired it with these high waist barrel style, like a cream color denim. I am in love with these. I did them in a medium for a really oversized fit. Little belt just matches the whole outfit perfectly. Next look, I just swapped out that top for this gorgeous cream colored sweater. I really wanted to create like a monochromatic look. And then I love the brown belt and bag to kind of break up the creams. This sweater's incredible. The quality is so nice. It's super soft. Has like a fold over right here. So it's super chic. Be really pretty with like some like shimmer on your shoulders. Perfect for date night. I think I did this in a medium. I probably could have done a small. It's a little bit oversized, but wow. I love this look. Like my uniform when I don't know what to wear. I grabbed these jeans, same as the cream pair that I had on earlier, but this is like the light wash denim. I did these in the small and these are a little too tight. So I'm glad I got the cream pair in a medium. They are a barrel style jean, but I think I should have done the medium for a more oversized fit, but still like them. They are a little bit stretchy, which is nice. And then this top is so chic. It's a little bit of a mock neck. Has like a ruching right here up at the shoulders, which I feel like is super chic. You could wear this to work, wear this with satin pants, work pants, whatever. I will wear this 24/7. I did it in a size small and the fit is so perfect. Okay, next I did this really gorgeous navy wrap sweater. It's so pretty. I thought it looked really pretty with white. This would be so cute for running errands. You could actually wear this sweater to work with like some work trousers. You wrap it right here. I didn't know what to do with the back, so I just stuck it in the pants, but it is so chic. Did it in a medium. Think I could have done a small. It does have a lot of fabric, but super gorgeous. The last item is this set. It's actually a 3-piece set, but I wanted just to show you what the shell looks like underneath, just so you could think about how to wear it in the warmer months. I added a belt just to kind of break up the color and pull in like a lighter brown. I am so in love with this set. Super chic with this bag as well. Let me add the cardigan. Here is what the whole 3-piece set looks like. It is so incredible. The cardigan is long, really nice quality. I wore this to work the other day and I was super comfortable. I definitely have it dressed up, but you could wear it more casually with like sneakers, forget the belt and a more casual bag. But you guys, I'm obsessed. This is just a 10 out of 10 outfit. That is a wrap on my try on haul with Commence. Let me know which one was your favorite and if you want links to anything.